What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. So right now people, we're in Bashco. I don't even think you guys want to see Bashco, but you say, you know what? Let me just show off Bashco phone at the end of the day. So I'm gonna put two videos in one. We're gonna go Bashco and Khemlani Mart in one video. So I'm gonna get a decent video. So I'm gonna show you the prices and stuff what I'm have in Bashco, so people can go and stay tuned. And remember again, my people, make sure you like, share and subscribe to each channel, because I do these videos for you, the people overseas, and you seeing people in Jamaica who free to come out of your house. So I have to go and show you the prices. I stuff them and see if I can get what me want too. Alright, I can stay tuned. So we come in a Bashco, my people. You see them have the pots them, and them call them pressure cooker pots and rice cookers, and you know, igloo price them expensive, you know, my people. 15,000 for one igloo, you know. Yeah, man. So check it out, my people. So this is coming in. Them have pots and stuff like that. You know, this is a pot set right here. You can see what the prices. People, the prices in Jamaica, it's not really up the price there, man. The prices are wicked. And this is a Bashco downtown me there right now. I want to look through. See, I have garbage bin. I need a garbage bin too. 4,200 for your garbage bin, my people. Them have pots and pots and pots. Lots of kitchenwares if you need your kitchenwares and stuff like that. Not too expensive. You can probably get them at a dollar store and put it on a barrel too before I come to Jamaica. Cutting boards. I need a cutting board to enough up at the house. But I might buy that over so too. And full up a barrel there. All the kitchenwares. Cause looking at my people, all this, you know. Something like this I can get at a dollar store for $2-3, $8 for that. So a lot of them stuff here, a dollar store materials them, well, you can get at a dollar store. So I would rather tell you guys to pick up a lot of stuff from even the plates and stuff. Watch out, one of these plates is $2,100, you know, my people. One, right? $2,100. So that's 20. Just say that's $20 Canadian. Igloos $16,000. You can buy this way cheaper in Toronto or wherever I come from. You understand? Look for these prices, my people. Now, man, I have to go ship off stuff. These prices are not normal at all, my people. Garbage bins and stuff. All garbage bin, I probably have to go ship off. Cause everything expensive. Yes, man. So now I see Jamaica see 40,000 for the big igloo there. I know I couldn't get that at Walmart for $90, $100, max probably $120. The max $200. That's $40,000 for one, my people. Yeah. Even this little igloo $30,000. Because I remember in a tax I add on these two, you know, my people. So don't get it twisted. Go and walk through, see again plates and stuff. Just more plates and dishwares and stuff. Like, again, you can get all of these at the dollar store for way cheaper, or dollar plus, or whatever dollar cups, glass cups. So you can probably buy them at $2.70 a one. Them they can work, wine glasses and stuff like that. These can work for dollar. Yeah, them can work for the price. $3.20. Yeah, these can work for the price, my people. Yeah, I'm not go bash them with that. I think we need to buy up some too for the house. But we're not ready yet for the more outdoor garbage bin. $10,000 for one garbage bin, you know. 10 grand. So I can move on. Plates and plates. Some of them plates I made one to, you know. One for $500, you know, man. One of them small on 3 bills. Big one $7, $6.20 for one. So and then when you start add up all of these prices, you know, $7.20, $6.20. When I start add up all these prices, my people, your head starts scratch you. You want to start ball. I'm going to go down here, so now I'm coming through the other aisle. So again, a lot of kitchenware is here and everything. Bathroom and line and, you know, brooms and mops and everything. You know, see the one who I like where I have the thing we're easy. But we have tile now, we have to go get one we're easy. Probably get one of these ones, but one of these ones here is $2,700. That's like $30. You can get that so cheaper. People, that's why you have to ship off barrel here, man, because over here so it's not cheap at all. So now, and then when we do ship off the barrel then with people, we still have to pay for clear it and stuff like that. Look at washing machine, what's a 47,000 after that, my people. Oh no, 24,000 feet now. But these are some beanie washing machine, man. I think they can't ever last too long. 2 wash out tight and it gone. We need some bathroom carpets too, you know. But I think I'll go back over and buy up stuff because them places are kinda rough. Panjan shop, rough. People, the music I play around here, so I might have to go in off the vlog because, or I put if music I play and then copyright me. Watch out, $17,000 for this number of people. I have to buy a different bar stool chairs. 11,500 for one. You can get 2 for cheaper than that. Chairs and everything, beach chairs, $23,000. Yeah. So a lot of looking nice goodies and stuff here were probably cheaper because we ship stuff again, you know, my people. Remember you have to pay for clear it and all of them stuff then. I just buy a Lasco fan. What's it? 9,100 I sell the Lasco fan for, you know. I go down the road at 5,000, I pay for one over there, you know, 5,500. But them weak. Lasco fan them weak, my people. I need very, very high power. So let me check out the TV prices, my people. I have couches and stuff inside here also. Bashco. You know, see people, you don't want to buy them type of brand here. No JSW and no Black Point. Alright? No, you can buy Sony, yes, but you see price here Sony. Oh, the 55 inches TV, $89,000 for that right now, my people. Other one there, Samsung, one for $89,000 too. Yeah, $31,000 that up there, so. But them JSW TV, them people, you buy them and then broke tomorrow. You don't want to invest your money on those type of stuff. Yes, I'm going on the mirror side. We need to get some mirror. Really, I pre my camera like she want to dip on my camera. So, sure, walk on. So, I look then at my people. So, I look when I come at town. They ain't normal down. You see it? Somebody say, oh, stop telling people them garbage, boy. You have to take off this and take off that and look like this and this and that. I say, my people, it's up to you, you know. You come and do what you want to do, you know. Me just tell you how me come when me go town, you know. Me look normal down. Me look all more hungrier than them. Me look like me don't have no money. Yes, because I don't want to be a target to people. So I don't care what nobody want to say to me. Stop telling people garbage. Me telling me I do what I do, and that's what I do. You understand me, people? Because you can't come down here and you dress flashy and everything like that, and you become a target to people, and people start look at you and stuff like that, right? And start look at you and start wanting to try to rob you and stuff like that. I mean, I will say it at me, you know, but you just never know. You have to do precautions. So it's all up to you. If you want to come here and get robbed, you come here and get robbed. Not tell nobody nothing wrong or what to do with their own personal life and adventures when you come to Jamaica. Me just tell you, when me come down here, that's how I operate and just how I roll. Picture frame. You might get some picture frames, you know, but probably only $23 for the picture frame now. So again, the price is $5,000 for this kind of mirror, you know. $5,000. Look at my eye, them mirror. No, them alright. $5,000 for that little mirror right there, my people. Like, tell us, say, oh, the prices, man, the prices in Jamaica are just, it's just brutal to the people, them. Brutal prices. Come walk and go back outside there, my people. I'm not really showing too much outside because I'm already going to a downtown vlog already. So I'm just go back in any store again and showing you a couple more stores. And I just that so people go and stay tuned, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Jay, 416-876 Jamaica. I'm out. Right now, people, we're at Khemlani Mart. You see the big K? We're at downtown Kingston right now, and I will check out if they have the TV for sale. But they have a TCL TV on sale right now, so we're gonna check it out and see. So this is Kmart. I will check them out and ask them if they have the TV on sale. But music again, I play my people, but I try to go on a quick tour away from the music quick. I try to talk even louder. So right now, people will enter Kmart. This is the prices for the fridges right now. So you can see the prices and everything for the fridges. I'll go slow and show you guys also the stoves and everything they have. This is the one that's downtown Kingston, alright. Fridge and about the number, we think we can get a better price. 190. What a Samsung. Not bad fridge. Probably can save up, get one of them on one day. I think this is the freezer side of it, and that's the normal side of it. But this is around about $2,000 Canadian for a fridge like that. So yeah, this is the next big Samsung one with the water thing. I think I like these ones with the water thing, you know. But I think them always easy if it spoil, so it don't make no sense. I get a water dispenser already. Or we can use Black Point. Don't stay away from those brand. 155 for this one, you know, not too bad. But I know a heap of water you can put in this water dispenser. I think nah, buy a fridge water dispenser. How much is this? $300,000 my people for this big one, so not even have places where you can open from. Okay, the one are big. It's a LG one. And then now we'll turn around to the stoves. Yes, I like this stove, and it's stainless steel. This look like an electrical stove-ish, but I don't think an electrical stove. But yeah, my people, so I'm gonna rebuy back a stove, and this look like the perfect one to rebuy back for the house. But that's $109,000. I can go and look again. So these are the prices for the stoves. Very nice stoves right there, my people. These ones, I bought something similar like these ones for the house, and it's so easy to get dirty up. So you really need this one I have. So these, when you take it off, it's true it's not stainless steel. This is not stainless steel, my people. So when you cook on it and stuff, it's so easy to dirty. So you don't really want them one. Better you get a stainless steel one. The washing machines them now, Imperial. The prices are not bad. Prices are expensive. I'm just going on a nice walkthrough of Khemlani Mart and their prices and stuff, so everybody can know if they want to get something or don't get something. I was just the TV guys are on sale. The TCL TV 55 inches. You guys have any more in stock? Alright, I just want one here. Yeah. Alright. So this right now, my people. So the doors right now and stuff. The doors and stuff, my people. And we just go and check it out. Couch and everything. This is a nice bed. I love them. You can have this bed set up at the upstairs right here now. But by the time you're done spending on my people, watch the queen bed, king bed, $700,000. $735,000. Please do not sit. I would have loved this couch. $300,000 plus tax for this couch. So you see, so the price is what somebody that say, oh, active is too expensive or this and that. They don't know what you're talking about, because them on active price, them are more expensive than active at the end of the day. So I don't know what they're talking about all the time. But we can move on. Go walk around and see.
Well, because we don't have any more, you'd have to get it this one without for rapid.
So couch them nice, you know, my people, but this is the, like I say, we're the one downtown. Black Point right here. What is this? This is what how big is this one? I can't even see how big this one is, you know. But This one is a what? This is a 65-inch TV right here. $82,000 for this one. Okay, I'm gonna test it first, right?
Yeah, man.
Okay. I'm gonna check it out. I'll check it out. So $399 for that. $3,000 again. Wow. $3,600. 50. Some coach them nice in my people, but the price is. The price is my people. This is a nice little setup too. Could use something like this, but again the price is my people. You just have to buy what you like, you know, my people. Look at these nice bed sets right here. The price is again. I would have licked me for $6. This bedroom set, the king bed and dresser, $575,000. They put it together. I like these bed sets still. But through Airbnb we are doing my people. We're not trying to kill off myself and I buy the most expensive stuff. All this little setting on my people, $20,000. You can get this for $100 at Canada when them up on sale. I think I have a set like that to set up, but I don't know how to set it up. Some plumber will come and set it up. So I'm just going to walk through my people at Kmart and show you the bed sets and stuff like that. And yeah, the queen bed, the dresser and mirror, $200,000 for king sets, or over $2,000 again. You'll be paying $42,000 for just probably the mattress alone. I mean, I think I mattress for $42,000. I think I just the bed frame that. Yeah, the queen bed, mattress, you know, $75,000. And that's just for mattress alone, my people. So you know how expensive these stuffs are. Yeah. So now, my people, you see why I say I would just probably ship off a bed. Because if you buy a bed here, look, you know, $2,000 pay for how much is just the bed? Yeah? Yeah, I come right now. Okay. 50,000. Alright, people, I'm going to test out this TV while with it on camera so you can see it. When I buy them stuff, my people, you have to check it right away too. At the end of the day, powered. I mean, I want to buy powered by a real TCL TV, you know, my people. So I gotta check out the TV right now. But I'm not TCL this man.
A TCL?
Oh man, they said TCL. Yeah, I'm buying something when I said TCL. They said power by TCL. Yeah, I'm yeah, that's a power. Yeah, not TCL TV. Anybody can put that. You can't buy that then. You can't buy that. It's okay. Yes, my people. TV. Them try to fake me out. It's not a real TCL TV. It said powered by TCL. Oh, if you advertise TCL TV, when I buy TCL TV, it says TCL on it. It don't say powered by TCL. Or if it say powered by TCL and people for buy that. No fake TV that, man. I'm not going to send back the people them money. But that's fake. Fake advertisement. Fake advertisement, my people. Them say powered by TCL. That's not TCL TV. I just change my mind and I'll walk out of the store here, man, my people. Because I go look somewhere else and see how much you are. I'm going to get a coffee first, yeah, my people. Because right, they say it just piss me off and stuff. I go in at the Black Point place and see how much their TV goes for, what kind of TV them have. Because we can't buy no fake TV, you know, my people. Alright, people, go and stay tuned. So right now, people, we're on King Street. This place I was in, Ludus Mall or whatever they call. And yeah, we're gonna check them out because they're giving me a good price on their TV. Yes, it's kind of a little bit expensive because I just went into Kmart and I was trying to go get their TV over there, but when I looked at the TV, they said they have a TV for sale, right? They have a TV for sale. This one right here, looking at it. But when I went there, I tried to buy the TV and then take it out of the box. And I say, yo, let me test it and let me see it. I look on the tag and it don't say TCL on it. It say some next thing say powered by TCL. No fake TV that my people. So I'm gonna go over this stuff, go buy fake TV. Like I come from a friend for go buy fake TV. Like that makes sense, my people. So right now I'm there at this place. And like some people, you don't want to buy no Black Point Imperial JSW TV because they break super fast. The brand you have to go find with their Jamaica LG or Samsung or Sony, those brand. Even Hisense right here, it's not a bad brand. TCL2 is good, but me rather LG because LG are the thing right now, and Hisense is not bad also. You don't want a Black Point TV or no. You can go on at JVC. Hisense not bad. I have one at Toronto too. Roku TV, it's good. But them brand they are the better brand. But no Black Point or JVC or Imperial. And them have a lot of stuff here, washing machines and I like how the store are doing to my people. Them write their prices and everything. So as soon as you come in, you just see the prices. I think I bought one of these. I think I bought this one. Or I think I bought one of these washing machine, my people. A big one too, I buy still. Yeah, it could be better price than what them have here still. But again, this is downtown. You know, them sell them jewelry and everything here also. You know, I'm just gonna empty up my last amount of pocket change, money, and just finalize and get these TV and some more tiles today. And time to leave this country because we don't have no more budget. If you stay over here no more. No more budget, my people. So just go and check it out, my people. So they have a lot of stuff here, jewelry and everything. Okay.